guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I am going to share a wonderful, simple and easy one-pot vegetable pulao recipe with all the subtle flavors of coconut. So why wait, let's get started and check out this quick and easy recipe. So first for the masala paste, add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut in the mixer jar. Add 2 pieces of cinnamon, 5 cloves, 4 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 5 green chilli, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. That's all. And first you have to grind these ingredients with adding little water to the mixer jar. Our masala paste is ready now. Now take a pressure cooker, add about 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Next add the all spices, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 5 cloves, 3 kapak butt that is Marathi moggu, and 5 cardamom. Mix it all lightly until they release a nice aroma. Now add 2 medium thinly sliced onion. Saute it lightly. Once onions are roasted, add kasuri methi and mix gently. At this point, add 1 bowl of cut up beans, 1 bowl of carrot, 1 bowl of nukkol, and a bowl of fresh peas, and mix well. Once vegetables are fried lightly, add 1 large thinly sliced tomato and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it lightly again. Then add finely chopped coriander leaves. Just mix all together. Now we can add masala paste that we had blended earlier. And mix it again. After a minute, I am going to add a 4 cup of water. Here I am using 2 cup of Sona Masuri rice. If you want, you can use basmati rice too. Now add the salt to taste here and let this water cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will be able to see the bubbles in here. Now I am adding washed 2 cups of Sona Masuri rice. Mix it once. Before closing the pressure cooker, check for seasoning, and if you need to add salt, just add it. Keep the flame on medium and close the top. Then pressure cook on medium flame for 2 whistles and turn off the stove. Wow, the vegetable pulao is perfectly cooked. I am getting a wonderful aroma due to all the spices I have used for the masala paste. The rice is also really soft. So our one pot simple and easy vegetable pulao is ready to serve hot and nice. You can enjoy this with coconut chutney, onion raita or some nice bundi raita by the side. It's a complete and comforting vegetable pulao for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Do try this recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more interesting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.